Hello YouTubers, welcome to my DIY channel. I just want to let you know how I have converted my Breville grinder to a single dose grinder because I'm cheap and I don't want to be paying big bucks for a niche zero or one of those expensive single dose grinders, and I want to keep my old grinder. So what I've done is I've uh, taken one screw off of this hopper and took this one off, and I've also shaved the ears here so that when I put this on top of the machine I don't have to lock it in place. All I have to do is put pressure here and the machine turns on. So let me show you how it works. So I'm going to pair this and put it to grams, and I'm going to put 16 grams. Oops. Oops, that's 17. Okay, 16 grams. And we're going to put it here. All right. And push this. Let's see if we can. And just by pounding on this, it acts like a bellows. And what I do is I just use my finger to just put all these stray beans into the conical grinder and give it another. All right, and let's weigh it. We're back to 16. So there you go. We got a single dose grinder without paying big bucks.